These are so pretty, you guys. They're loose.
Too loose?
Yeah, there's like super lot of room.
Okay.
Look how cute this one is. Little panda. And there's like a little llama. Ooh, they have a cactus. Panda. I want your pizza, not your opinion.
Oh, these are cool. Look at this one. It's like a unicorn.
Look how whole this is, you guys. It's a blue one. They even have a pink one as a lunch bag, and then they have a blue one as a lunch bag. And this pink one, and a white one. And there's a cute little panda one, and they have a kitty one. Super soft. This binder is. This one's actually really big. Look how big these are. The next one. Ah! Oh, they have the Get It Girl one. This one's probably my favorite. This one's my favorite. This is what my face is. Oh, look, there's like a little family of poop.
It's cute. Look at these.
Look at that unicorn one. Look how cool these 3D erasers are. They're animals. They have like a giraffe. They have a polar bear. They have an elephant. They have a porcupine. They actually have a little ladybug on a leaf. That's so cool. They have a poop, what is it called?
Eraser?
No,
Sharpener.
yeah, pencil sharpener. It's cute, sticky nose. Well, this one's the cutest though. Yeah. The monkey one. The monkey one. His butt. Bacon. Look at 5 more minutes. So what?
That's you every morning. That's you.
Look at this deformed squishy banana. Feel it, Mom.
Okay. Ooh, that feels weird.
I know, but I love it. Oh.
The
It's
things
so
you
long.
the things you find at Five Below.
Yeah, so interesting. Look how long this banana is now. Yeah. They even have a glitter bomb one. It's really nice. They even have small ones.
You can trade for the little one too.
Oh, you can? Where?
They're squishy.
Squishy pals, squishy pals, squishy pals. Oh.
Oh, look, Squishmallows, T.
What? Squishmallow! They have a froggy! This bear is so cute. Look at these gummy bear sharpeners. They're so cute. They have a blue one and a pink one. Look at it, they have eggs. Hatchimal eggs. Can't touch this. A lot of things that I feel like that say can't touch this.
The year of cactus.
Yeah, the year. Super cute. Squish, squish, squish. This is super cool. It has their disco headphones, so when the music goes on, it changes different colors. Now that we're back from Five Below, I'm super excited to show you what I got. Saving the best for last. In this bag, I got two things. I got this cool diamond purse. I really like it. It's holographic. I also got these electric pencils. Mechanical pencils. There is pandas, there's tacos, there's sloths, and there's avocados. To be honest, the avocados are the cutest, so. Drop that there. And then I also had to get a candy, so I got cowtails, minis. They're super good. I love cowtails. They're like one of my favorite candies in the whole wide world. And then the last thing in this bag is this Scrabble twist. This will help me with my spelling. That's what I got. That's why I got it. I thought this was really cute. It's a strawberry ice cream cup. These are honestly super cute. These are puffy stickers, but look at these. There's like little food, and look at that kitty cat. That's like a donut, and then they have ice cream, they have frogs, they have so many things. I'm gonna decorate it with my laptop. And then the last thing in this bag, I got, this is for my mom, if you're wondering. This is a Harvard shirt, like, cause me and my mom both have one now. We can be matchies. Whoa! And then like the rest of it is like school supplies. So this one is the binder. This is the oh, there's something stuck in there. The holographic binder. Then I also got the same pattern, but as a folder. And then I got this cool squishy pen. It's super squishy and it has a little tiger and it's super slow rising, watch. And it's an orange pen. Mesh squishy ball, and you can squeeze it and there's like a little net so it forms circles, which is really cool.
I just like squishiness. Squish! Squish!
I don't know if you can kind of see the bubble. And then last but not least, actually almost least, is this backpack. I love this backpack. Once I first saw it, it's like, I want your pizza, not your opinion. That's very true. Very true. Who loves pizza? Because pizza is life! And then the last thing, pass me. Don't hit the camera. I got this basketball and my mom was actually sitting on it right now. So I can use it for school. I just dribble around and shoot some baskets. Here.
Okay, maybe not. You don't want to hit the camera.
Yeah, let's just do sideways. And then last but not least is this mega pumpkin ball. A little early for Halloween, but you know, I just love this. It doesn't have a stem, but I still love it. Ever since I saw it, we've been going to Five Below very recently, and I saw this pumpkin. I'm like, I'm dribbling with it. I gotta get this. So now I have it! Yay! My pumpkin, my pumpkin, my pumpkin. Ah! For more back to school videos, click the eye in the corner. You guys, I'm having a huge back to school giveaway, and I have like everything you need. And the rules and the giveaway link will be in the box below. Thank you for watching, everybody. Stay sweet. Bye!